Hello everyone, so how are you? So today's I'm going to show you an amazing AI that can remove a background from images in a high quality. It doesn't reduce the quality of the images. Like here I added a photo here, you can see the quality here, and then it remove the background in a same quality. You can see there like this and this. It just remove the background and you can download it from by clicking on there. What you have to do, just search on the Google DIS background removal. Let's okay, DIS background removal on Hugging Face. DIS background removal on, sorry for spelling mistake, Hugging Face. DIS background removal. Go to this website. There are many others on this same platform. Okay, what you have to do, just upload your image here and you will get remove. Like this one, I will choose this one, click open, then I will submit. Here it takes time to reduce the background, but it doesn't remove the quality. I want to see the image that I have provided, so here it removes, but finally it creates remove the background of this image. Here you can see the quality of this image and the quality of this image. Both are looks similar, you can see here. It doesn't reduce the quality and you can download it from here. There is no watermark, nothing else. So try this AI tool on Hugging Face, start this background removal, and thank you for watching this video. Bye.